If your Sharp TV won't turn on, don't panic. Here are authentic methods to troubleshoot and hopefully fix the issue, so let's dive right in. Method 1. Check the power cord. Ensure that the power cord is firmly connected to both the TV and the power outlet. Sometimes, a loose connection can cause the TV to not power on. Method 2. Power outlet check. Test the power outlet with another device to make sure it's working. If the outlet is faulty, try plugging the TV into a different one. Method 3. Remote control issues. If you're using a remote, try pressing the power button directly on the TV itself. The remote's batteries might be dead, or the remote could be malfunctioning. Method 4. Power cycle the TV. Unplug the TV from the power source. Wait for at least 60 seconds, and then plug it back in. This simple reset can often resolve issues with the TV not turning on. Method 5. Check for power surge damage. If there was a recent power surge, your TV might have been affected. In this case, unplug the TV and press the power button on the TV for 30 seconds. Then, plug it back in and try turning it on. Method 6. Inspect the power button. Sometimes, the power button on the TV can become stuck or damaged. Check if the button feels normal when pressed. If it feels stuck, try pressing it several times to free it up. Method 7. Test with a different power cord. If you have an extra power cord that fits your TV, try using it. A damaged or faulty power cord could be the culprit. Method 8. Reset the TV via the power button. Hold down the power button on the TV for 10–15 seconds. Some Sharp TVs have a reset feature that activates with this method, which might bring your TV back to life. Method 9. Internal component issues. If none of the above methods work, the issue might be with an internal component such as the power supply board. In this case, it's best to contact Sharp customer support or take the TV to a professional technician for repair. Hopefully, one of these methods helped you get your Sharp TV back up and running. If not, it might be time to consult with a professional.